what has she got?
A piggy bank.
A giant rare pig. Look at that. That's great. Where did you get that, Julie?
I got that on the Cantarega Road, on the back road to Swain.
It's lovely.
It's 40 years old.
Oh, it smells. Allison, all good antique smell.
What do you think?
Isn't it cute?
That's great.
Here,
What do you think about your wife's purchase, Mike?
Beautiful.
Did you always want one of those?
now you get the honey out. Oh, got a cork.
Sweetie.
Look at Ariel.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, be careful.
That's how you get up the mouth.
There's 198 on the back.
That is fun.